Here's a delicious kale smoothie recipe. Kale is a dark, leafy green vegetable that is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is an excellent addition to any diet as it can help boost immunity, improve digestion, and promote healthy skin. One of the best ways to incorporate kale into your diet is by making a delicious and nutritious kale smoothie. Here is a simple recipe for a refreshing kale smoothie that you can make at home. You will need 1 cup of chopped kale leaves, 1 medium-sized ripe banana, 1 cup of orange juice. You may substitute orange juice with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk or any other dairy-free milk, 1 cup of frozen pineapple chunks, a handful of ice cubes, which is optional. In a blender, add the chopped kale leaves and orange juice. Blend until the kale is completely pureed. Add the frozen pineapple chunks as well as the banana. Blend until all ingredients are well combined and smooth and creamy. If you prefer a thicker consistency, you can add a handful of ice cubes and blend again. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy. Add 1 tablespoon of flax seeds or chia seeds for additional fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. You may add 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt for extra protein. You may also add a scoop of your favorite protein powder for a post-workout snack. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.